Hey guys, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Where today we're continuing off from the second part, like part 2. This is just part 3, but it's going to be longer. Because I just found out that I can record longer.
Attention, invading blood. We have left you several messages regarding your invasion of this sector. I don't want to suggest that you are avoiding us, but just in case you didn't check your messages, there are quite a few waiting for you.
Also, I did a little bit of XP grinding. I went up in that cave up there. That one right there. Which was pretty fun. I just had a bunch of, like, see if you can find treasure and, like, monsters that look like from Ghostbusters. That one slime monster. Yeah, that's just kind of what it was. That's about it. But I think it is possibly gonna, like, redo all the story, you know. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Okay. Oh no, I didn't redo the story.
Attention, blood. You still have not done that regarding this unfortunate situation. On our side, so I picked up the phone to make sure I got dial tone, and I had a sudden call from a neighboring line. Everything will be on our side, so wasn't it okay?
Oh my gosh. There's so many bolts back here. Yes, sir. It is safe to come out now.
Thank you. I thought we were done for sure. We are happy
Sorry
to be of
for-
assistance. Why is Clank trying to kill you? It's my nephew, Skid McMarks. Wait, Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder? He sent me this info bot from Iridia, and the blog has been after me ever since. Here, take a look.
Hey, Uncle Bobwash, Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks Sports Shack here on Iridia. And boy, has this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Flar. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this. Help! Someone! Call my agent! Call my publicist! Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me! I don't want to die!
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in.
Really?
Brother, we gotta get to Iridia.
Also, sorry for part 2's graphics.
Right. Okay.
This time I actually tested them to make sure that they're good.
Attention, citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound. I was represented by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10.
How am I? Oh wait, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to go to another planet. Maybe, possibly. Who knows? Well, now that I know that, I don't know what this place is.
Look out.
Try to find someone to repair my ship. So, let's go check on the old Ratchet. Can I buy this? I won't buy this. That's cool. I like that. Something tells me that we're supposed to go somewhere around here. I don't know. If I can't figure it out in like maybe 20 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and... Oh, that's cool. I forgot I had this equipped. Yeah, but that's cool. Where am I supposed to go? Over here? Jump up? Jump into the water? It's a fish. It's a good fish. Oh, that looks very pleasant. Load of stuff. I'm gonna pause this and I'll be back whenever I find where I'm supposed to go. Okay, we're gonna try this place. See if this works. Because it looks to be going up, not down, you know. Let's go. Yeah, this looks to be the right way. Yes, definitely. Seriously, what's with all the jumping? Is there a secret up here? I feel like there's secrets up here. I'm just not finding. Oh, it's a hollow card. Good. I love hollow cards. Okay, we're good. If you guys want me to read all that hollow card, at the end of the game, I shall read every last one of them that I have. If I don't have all of them, too bad. This is not 100% completion, this is just me having some fun. Oh gosh. I almost just fell down. And nothing personal to you too. Going up. Okay. Oh jeez, no. So I was trying to fix the video, make sure it's doing what it's supposed to. Don't want no weird stuff. This is probably gonna be like maybe a 20-minute video. I don't know. We'll see when we get there.
The transmission. Who's gonna save us now?
I don't know. I think he's the person to repair a ship.
I'm glad you're here. Hey, have we met before? I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
I guess the old think tank could use a good thumbing. Anywho, I've been trying to get a distress call to the Galactic Rangers ever since Drax forces showed up.
This entire region is overrun with Blargian dropships. We need to get you out of here.
Well, I can't go anywhere until I get this here info bot into the hands of Captain Quark.
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those blog soldiers. Here you go.
Oh, hello there. I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries. Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship? The answer is simple, friends. Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming. So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you.
Drek Industries is not working for you.
See, I'm having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
It looks like a genie. I swear. Is that a toilet hole?
Did that guy just slide down a sewer pipe?
Yeah, because we're going down too.
Looks like the fastest way down. Let's give it a shot.
Oh, I love how much mechanics are in this game. It's just so much fun.
That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
No.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber. Little did they know they would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty biceps ripple. But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
A brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine, Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. I promise me you'll get that input bot to Captain Quark.
I promise. Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
I mean, right now we're listening to a story, but technically we're playing as the character in the story. And it's really fun. And I'm glad, and I hope that you guys are
That their
enjoying this.
newly repaired ship now had an upgraded hyperspace navigation computer.
I hope you guys are enjoying the series, because this is really fun for me, and I'm glad that I got one like on part 1 of this series. Thank you very much. I'm very appreciative. Whoever you were, comment your name in the comments and I'll give you a shout out. But, you know, and proof that you did like the video, not just shouting out people.
Valis looks like it's in pretty good shape.
Do 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 do.
We're too late. The invasion has started. Scan the emergency channels. We need to find out what's happening on the ground.
Attention, all units! The Hall of Heroes is under attack. Repeat, enemy ships are now in the central district of Alero City. Galactic Rangers are under heavy fire at the Hall of Heroes. And there's a Blarg transport closing in fast. Brace for Warbot reinforcements, Rangers. All civilians, evacuate the area.
We must assist the Galactic Rangers. Activating weapons systems. Weapons online. You may now attack the transport.
It seems a little loud. Hope that's not loud on your guys' end.
Ratchet, now might be a good time to test those weapons systems.
Yeah, I am. I'm trying. Hold on. Give me a second. What's this that? This is very hard to control. Okay. We're good. Kill it. Good. We're good.
You are down. Yeah. Whoever you are, thank you.
You're welcome. Good sir.
Board transport!
one ship down. I said down. Get the heck down.
The last of them.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Looks like you got all the transport. But we still gotta take out that warship.
The warbot's armor is made of a rare titanium alloy. If we could propel a warbot at the ship with sufficient velocity, I believe it would penetrate the hull.
Awesome. How do we do that?
Your weapon package includes a mag booster. I am rewriting the software to isolate the warbot's armor. There. You should now be able to pick up warbots using the mag booster.
Okay, let's try this out.
Hold triangle.
Active.
There should be some warbots nearby.
Warbots, get them.
Pull them toward the warship.
Okay. Wait, oh, I don't have to hold it. Okay. We're gonna fire some warbots.
Locking on.
Fire! What did I try to... Go!
Now.
Go!
Boom.
Holy cow! That was awesome!
Well done, Ratchet.
1 in a million. Let's do it again.
Let's get some more.
Warbots in tow. Now let's head toward that warship. Release.
We're in trouble here. Keep fighting, Rangers.
Yeah, I might go down there and try to get all these warbots here. I think they're over here.
Activate mag booster.
There
Okay,
is enough power to pick up more warbots.
I know. I noticed this, buddy. Oh, time to pick up some more.
Okay, warbots. Hang on tight.
Here we go. I'm going towards the ship.
Steady. Steady. Release warbots.
Whatever you're doing, it's working. Impressive.
Over
Abide perseverance will defeat these warbots.
it.
Eventually.
Get him.
Got it. Now let's send them back to where they came from.
Hell?
Release warbots.
Dang it.
Turn to sender. Yeah, that one hurt.
I believe the warship has sustained critical damage.
Yeah, one more hit should do it.
Yeah, one more hit should do it. We're scooping down and get some more warbots. Here we go. Wanna scoop over there? Every single last warbot, come with me.
Warbots attached.
We're grabbing so many warbots.
Gotcha.
Ah!
Oh, that's not good.
It appears we can repair our ship with the nanotech those blog saucers leave behind.
Wait for it.
And he's dead.
Warship down. We did it.
Way to go, whoever you are!
All right, everyone, let's give these heroes some breathing room. I'm happy to field all questions on their behalf.
Dallas Wanamaker here. Does this mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Say what now? I don't see why not. And that is how dumb luck helped the rookie Lombax take out a Blargian warship.
That wasn't no dumb luck. He and that robot made a great pair.
That's enough out of you, solitary Bill. Sheesh. Give a guy a pudding cup once, and then you can never get rid of him.
So, what happened next?
Well, Drek didn't take too kindly to having his plan ruined by a Lombax and his robot pal, so he sent Blargian mercenaries to take them out.
Jerry,
You all right, pal?
it's tough.
All systems operational, but we should get back to the Hall of Heroes.
Hey, Ratchet, where'd you go? We're supposed to start your training in a few minutes.
Sorry, Brax. Clank and I ran into a bit of, ship trouble. Looks like there's still a few Blarg in the city.
We must have missed them during our sleep up the perimeter. Brax, you better check the Hall of Heroes and make sure they didn't make it inside.
Nice. I'm gonna guess that's a flamethrower.
There's a friend not far from your position who can help you out.
Let's test it out on these
I was gonna
doggos.
wait until after training to introduce you, but now's that
Yep, it's a flamethrower.
Find him and ask him to upgrade Clank. If he knows it's for the Rangers, he should do it for free.
Is that the holocard guy? Yeah, he's around here.
Good here, reminding you that I've got your back.
Ghost grenade.
There are more Blarg approaching.
Dang it. Oh, I need that heal. Shucks. We're probably gonna record till 30 minutes and then boom.
Hey, Ratchet.
These will probably be some 30-minute videos.
Almost there.
Is that a pool? Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Do 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 do. And splash, I was taking a bath. No? Okay. Jeez, dogs.
That must be Big Al's place. Oh boy, out of it?
Out of ammo, my G. Quickly get some stuff.
I'm saving my game.
I'm saving my game. Analyzed, saved.
I've died and gone to nerd heaven. Look at this. They have my blaster on top. Fungoid with a stick. Oh, Spiro the Space Moose. They even have the Mega Limited Ultra Edition of Intransigent Fall of Blarg.
That one comes with exclusive content if you pre-ordered through Gadgetron. I take it you're the ones Cora called me about? The ones in need of a new helipack upgrade?
You must be Big Al. It is nice to meet you. I am Clank. This is Ratchet.
Well, any friend of Cora's is a friend of mine. She and I kind of have a will we, won't we romance in progress.
Uh-huh.
Hop onto my workbench. I'll get you all squared away. Just reattaching the sister board, connecting the data port, and presto! Try it out. Looking good, pal. Getting back to the Hall of Heroes is easy. Just head this way until you find the grav train station. That'll lead you straight back.
Hero forged ahead, using their head attack's enhanced jump capability. Before now, long jumps would have only been possible for heroes like myself. Fortunately, Clank's new helipack helped them come closer to my level of greatness.
Fortunately, I thought he said
They
unfortunately.
all found themselves at a perilous drop. Would their new helipack help them glide to safety?
Or die trying to get to
They all
safety.
found themselves at a perilous drop. Would their new helipack help them glide to safety?
Triangle. One flanker. Climb them up in here.
We are not far from the train station.
Captain Fortier, reminding you that I'm
Sorry guys,
We are not far from the train station.
I was trying out some pickled jalapenos, some homemade ones. They're pretty good. Armed large monsters.
There it is. Come on, let's hitch a ride.
Attention travelers, Grav Train C is about to depart. Next stop, the Hall of Heroes. Please stand clear. The A train is now departing.
Come on, Clank. Let's make sure that doesn't happen.
Well guys, I know, cutting off on a cliffhanger, but I will see you guys next time.